Hey guys, Jared down here with Redwater Dodge.
Hey guys, Adrian here from Redwater Dodge. Guys, we got the new Compasses and the special edition behind me here.
And today we're going to be talking May promotions on the 2026 Jeep Compass lineup.
While Chrysler's giving you like $2,500 off these things,
Stellantis and all other dealers are going to be doing $0 off on sports models, $4,500 off on Norse, $6,000 off on Altitude Norse, $7,500 on Trailhawk and limited models. For us, we always want to be the best.
we're gonna do up to $7,500 off of select trim levels, like the higher trims of course, but on like the overlands and the high altitudes like this one, we're gonna do like $6,500, $6,000 here and there. Each one's a little bit different, guys.
$2,000 off on sport models, $6,500 off on our Compass North models, $8,000 off on Compass Altitude North models, and $9,500 off on Trailhawk and Limiteds. Alternatively, guys, we can also get you guys on interest rates as low as 2.99% for up to 72 months on approved credit. If this is something that interests you, give us a call, 780-942-3629.